everyone, my name is Muhammad Yusuf Marif
and Cesa Nurita from Yogyakarta State University in Indonesia.
and today I am excited to share our innovative project, the Santara Game.
This is a digital narrative RPG-based learning media designed to foster empathy and appreciation for local culture. Specifically taught the land of the Aceh Wardintori from 1881 to 1904. Let's start with the background of our project. In education, especially when it comes to history, in learning process often face a significant challenge. It had to be developed through monotone story narrative. Students often learn in theory with a lack of practical application in everyday life. This can lead to a shallow understanding of the subject matter, and his lesson, despite being rich in moral and cultural values, can feel boring. We identify a clear need for a more interactive and engaging medium to convey this valuable moral message and information. The core problem we aim to address in the weak learning process in history education, where students often find the material uninteresting and lack a deeper understanding. This displacement can sometimes lead students to direction, even choosing to play game instead of focusing on listen. How can we make history exciting and meaningful, especially for the younger generation who are digital native? Our creative solution in the Santara game, we are developing an interactive learning media in the form of a game, utilizing the fact that many children, particularly in Indonesia, love playing games. Data show that children aged 0 to 18 years dominate the online game market in Indonesia at 46.2%. The present a hard opportunity to create more engaging learning experience. The Santara game is a role-playing game, which means it has complex plot elements and allows the player to feel like a character within the game. It's built using the RPG Maker MC application and is adapted from the history of the Aceh War. Let's dive into the game itself. The main character is Agam, a high school student who is positioned upon history and in transport back to 1818 Watt to help mitigate to the Aceh War and return his own time. Players will also encounter historical figures like Teku Umar and Sutjadin, who fight alongside Agam against the Dutch. The game's narrative is based on actually historical event of the Aceh War. The gameplay involves following a storyline, defeating enemies and completing missions across 3 stacks. There are also mini-games that include quiz about the Aceh War and opportunities to interact with non-player characters through dialogue. The game features various maps, including Aceh Village, Forest, and even a 30 room. You can access the game at the link below. Our development process followed a research and development method involving stacks of analysis, design, development, and evaluation. We create assets like characters, map, music, and organizer event to build the game flow. Initial evaluation by our team led to revisions such as cleaner event interaction and additional narrative to strengthen the material. The finished game is published on itch.io. The Santara game offers several advanced Number 1, it's easy to create and suitable for beginners, as it does not require coding. Number 2, it's accessible to all age and can be played on cellphone or computer with internet access. Number 3, most important, it serves as the interactive learning medium, making the learning process more engaging. And last, the game can also contain moral message and help practice memory by requiring concentration to overcome obstacles. In conclusion, the Santana game addressed the challenge of monotone history learning by offering an interactive and engaging alternative. By adapting the compelling story of the Aceh War, we aim to foster student empathy and appreciation for local Indonesian culture. The narrative and challenge within the game are designed to attract students and encourage them to learning more about Indonesian history. This innovation approach utilizing the natural interest children have in game to create a meaningful and memorable education experience.
That concludes the presentation from Santana team. Thank you for watching and see you on the next project.